Hey guys, Justin here. Today I'm going to be showing a quick update on 3 whip cracks for beginners. So I hope you learned something. Here we go.
Justin Hall of JJ House Reps.
Alright, selecting a whip that best suits you. So we have a bull whip here. This one's about 5 foot with a 13-inch handle. So that'd be your most basic whip that you'd find for a beginner. 5 to 6 foot is perfect if you're just starting out. We have a snake whip over here. This one is 6 foot. 4 to 6 foot is a pretty good range for a snake whip. That way it has a little bit more hang time. It's not so fast. And right here we have a hybrid whip with an 18-inch handle and about a 3 foot thong on it. Maybe 3.5 foot on that. And over here we have a stock whip with an 18-inch handle with about a 4 foot thong. So it all depends on what you guys want to do, but any of these whips right in that range is a perfect size for a beginner. So, alright, so what not to do with a bull whip? You don't want to do that. You don't want to do this. And you definitely don't want to do that. So what I want you guys to do, start with the whip behind you. Straight behind. This is so the whip doesn't come around and whap you. So because if it's up front and you go up, you might get hurt. So, all right, I have a 6 foot 550 paracord bull whip, 2 bellies, 1 overlay right here. 6 to 5 foot for a bull whip is really good for a beginner. Really the perfect size. So we're going to start with the whip behind us. We're going to do the Cowans Crack. Go up. And you go back down. I was just showing you the pattern. Start at 6, go up to 12, come back down. Slow it down for you guys. And there's no need to go fast right away because that's just going to get you hurt. On the front. And if you're a beginner, see, I'm left-handed, so what you want to do is cant your arm out just a little bit, out to the side like that. So as you go up, the whip clears your body. See? That way the loop that it's forming goes past my body instead of over at first. Then you can start bringing it straight up if you get confident enough. Okay, that'd be the Cowans Crack. Alright, the next crack we're going to be doing is the overhead crack. So So it's basically like Cowans Crack, but you're taking it to the overhead plane. Okay? So you go up, stop right there, and then you're gonna cut back around. I'm trying to do it slow. Then speed that up a little bit. Just like that. I'll slow it down for you guys. With the other arm. Nice and slow. Okay, that'd be the overhead crack. I'm going to be showing you the underhand flick right now. This will be the final crack I'll be showing you guys today. So, what you're going to want to do is start with the whip straight behind you, and all you're going to do is go straight up and around back. Now you can open palm it, or you can go like that. So if you do it this way, there we go. Like this. It's kind of like an uppercut. Then speed it up. Back to palm down. Give it a little flick at the end. There we go. I'll slow it down for you guys. Right-handed. It's gonna be harder. It always is. Opposite hands. There we go. And with that, you can go back, cut back down after you learn that. With the Cowans Crack. Speed it up a little bit. All right, I'll give you one more crack. This will be a bonus crack. So, this one is the sidearm flick on the horizontal plane. Just like that. You come across. Okay. So, what you're gonna want to do is give your wrist a little go around, a little snap. Right once it comes out straight to you. Just like that. Let it die out. bad. Okay, and then once you learn that, you can go back over the top of your head, come back. Nice little combo crack. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hope you learned something, and we'll see you next time. Freaking wind. Now it decides to get wind.